In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align titles on different slides in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for an important meeting, a school project, or any kind of presentation, having well-aligned and consistent titles across your slides can make your presentation appear more professional and polished. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. You may already be familiar with launching PowerPoint, but if you're new, or just need a quick reminder, simply locate the PowerPoint icon in your applications or start menu and double click it to open. Now click on File in the upper left corner, select Open, and then navigate to find your saved presentation that you wish to work with. Opening the presentation you're working on is key because we'll be making these adjustments directly on your existing slides. Next, once you've got your presentation open, you'll want to navigate to the View tab located on the ribbon at the top of your PowerPoint window. The View tab is where you find options to change how you look at and interact with your slides, which is essential for aligning elements like titles. Under the View tab, locate and click on the Slide Master option. This action will shift your display to the Slide Master view, which is a powerful tool. It allows you to make universal changes that affect all your slides without having to adjust each one individually. Now that you are in the Slide Master view, it's time to customize the title position. Start by selecting the title text box on the slide. If your presentation doesn't already have a specific title text, you can add any placeholder text that you want by clicking to add a title text box. Once you've got your title text selected or added, it's time to center it. Drag the text box to the middle of the slide or use the alignment tools available on the ribbon to ensure it is precisely centered. When you're happy with the title's location, the final step is to switch back to your normal slide view. To do this, simply go to the Slide Master tab again and click Close Master View. This action will exit out of the Slide Master mode and allow you to return to the main editing interface of PowerPoint. By doing this, all your chosen adjustments, including the carefully aligned title placement, will take effect across all slides in your presentation that are linked to the particular master slide you modified. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to align titles consistently across different slides in PowerPoint. This technique ensures that your presentation looks cohesive and professional. Just remember, practicing these steps a few times will help you become more comfortable navigating and utilizing these tools. Happy presenting, and see you in the next video.